Happy New Year, everyone, and welcome to Melda 242. Today I'm preparing turkey salad with some of our leftover Christmas turkey. Don't forget to check out my cookbook now over there on Amazon and at Book World. Let's do it. Okay, I have the turkey here already cut up in this bowl, and I'm going to be adding the tomato, green bell pepper, and onion. I'm going to be adding these seasonings: the dill relish, red pepper flakes, mayo, salt, parsley flakes, and lemon juice. Let's get started. Okay, that's the lemon juice. Taking out the seeds that fell in. 2 seeds. I got 1 and 2. I got them. All right. Next is the tomato, bell pepper, and onion. Give them a good mixing until everything is combined. Now it's time for the dill relish, red pepper flakes. Now you can always substitute this with black pepper. A little bit of salt. Don't go overboard with the salt now because the turkey was already seasoned before it was baked. Now some parsley flakes. Now you can use fresh parsley, but I don't have fresh parsley and I'm making do with what I have. Parsley flakes and mayo. You want it wet? You add a lot of mayo. If you don't want it so wet, on the dry side, not too much mayo. About 3/4 cup of mayo should be enough. After adding the mayo in, just mix until everything is coated with the mayo, and then you can allow it to chill for about 10 minutes before serving, or serve as soon as you're finished. This is so great. I'm gonna have mine on 2 slices of homemade bread. Hubby wants his on lettuce, and my daughter doesn't want any because she doesn't like all of the stuff in it. I don't know. I'm preparing my own. 2 slices of bread, a little bit of mustard and mayo on the bread. I'm not toasting the bread. I don't want it toasted, but you can toast yours. Then 2 pieces of romaine lettuce. The tomato is already in the salad. I don't need any more of that. And 2 to 3 heaping tablespoons of this goodness. This is turkey salad. Try it with the dill relish. You don't taste it at all, so you don't have to worry about it changing the taste. It just adds flavor. Try it out. This is so delicious. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to check out my cookbook now. It is now available on Amazon and Book World. God bless you, and thank you in advance.